What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got different themed whisper challenge for you guys today. You guys been asking for that Thanksgiving themed whisper challenge. Thanksgiving's coming up pretty soon. We're excited, so let's get right into the challenge. Alright guys, so we got our music and we got our earphones. Let's see how this is going to turn out. We'll do rock, paper, scissors, see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, dang, that was a long match.
So Nate, put in the headphones. Use the same amount of volume. Is that good volume? Or
Wait,
louder?
say something. Louder. Say something.
Thanksgiving.
I can't hear it.
Okay. So we got some music playing for him. Let's get to the first one. Make sure you can see it.
Turkey. Say it again. I don't know.
It was Turkey Day. Let's move on to the next one. So still 0-0.
You have to pick one.
Female feet. Favorite feast. Something feast.
Family feast.
Family feast. Pick a new song for him. Alright, next one. Cranberry sauce.
What?
Cranberry sauce.
What?
Cranberry sauce.
Turkey songs?
What? Next one. Femur. Family. I don't know.
It's November.
No, November. There's your headphones.
I don't like the song, but whatever.
Really, Mom? Pilgrims and Indians.
Pilgrims and Indians.
Yeah. They got a point.
That was that easy. What kind of Thanksgiving thing is that?
Mashed potatoes.
Yeah, because I did that.
You were like. It was like.
We're surviving.
Carve the turkey.
What?
Carve the turkey.
Stuff the turkey?
Close. Carve the turkey.
Stuffed turkey.
One more. Carve the turkey.
Stuff the turkey.
You already said that. It was carve the turkey. Next one.
Gobble.
You're like,
That's what you did.
corn on the cob.
Gobble, gobble.
Cobbler, cobbler.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble. Sweater, weather.
Sweater weather.
Yeah.
Trying to look.
Careful. Lightful. Thankful.
Yeah, there you go. It's thankful.
Is that all of them?
What's lightful? It's lightful.
Alright guys, that concludes our Thanksgiving Whisper Challenge. Quick little video we want to do for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. It was not easy, obviously. I don't even know the score, I just lost track. Nate obviously won. He got way more than I did. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time on the Open Box Brothers. Bye.
Bye.